Hi guys, we're finally gonna do our first flight with the DJI AVATA 2. It's a little bit windy today, but the sun's out and it's about 9 degrees Celsius. So we're just too excited to take this out and give her a shot, try out the easy acro. So let's turn everything on and let's get started. Okay, so let's start her up. Okay, motors are started. Long press. Well, she's a little bit windy. Okay. She's jumping. Let's go. We have her in normal mode to start, and she seems to be handling the wind okay. Oh, she really flies. She really flies. You know what? We got to get into acro, easy acro. Let's try this. Okay, easy acro. Okay, I don't see anything on the screen. Recording unable to use. Okay, so we have to stop recording. Okay, go across. So that's interesting. If it's recording, you can't select it. So let's select it. Okay, so slide at the top. 180 drift in the middle, and then flip at the bottom. Let's go down. Okay, so let's get out of there. Let's record now. Okay. Okay, so with the scroll wheel, okay, flip. It doesn't want to do flip. Okay, so obviously flip, we're 0.3 meters. So let's climb. Okay, now we're at 0.5 meters. Let's go up a little bit higher. Okay, we're at 3.4 meters. And it says I can do the flip. So let's get closer. We want to see if we can catch this on camera. Okay, we're at 5.8 meters. Okay, let's try and do to the left. All right, let's go to the right. Okay, let's go forward. Let's go backward. Oh, she works really well. She works really well. Okay, we're going to use the dial on the controller going to 180 drift. And let's try that. So you're going to go left or right for the drift. So let's go. We're going to do that at the goalpost. All right. Okay, let's try that again. All right. Yeah, not that hard, guys. Not that hard. Yeah, you just don't let your finger off the motion there, your whatever direction. And just give it a quick turn to the left or the right. Oh, that is so cool. Now slide, it's showing, okay, slide, it's showing both directions. I have a feeling that's for ascending and descending. So if we use the joystick, we're going up and we're going down. We're going to the left and we're going to the right. So I think that's all the slide is. Okay, so now let's go back into 180 drift, and we want to go between these trees. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Yeah, that is so cool, guys. It's a little bit windy. But yeah, the 180 works really good. Yeah, really cool. Really cool. Let's try some more flips. Okay, so this new controller, you know, because it's smaller, I don't know, it feels very nice in the hands. Very nice in the hands. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, you can see when you get too low, it definitely doesn't want to do any flips. But yeah, she handles very, very well. Yeah, very well. Okay, let's hit the mode button. Put her in sport mode. Okay, she's in sport mode. Let's check out sport mode. Oh, she is fast. She is fast in sport mode, guys. Yeah, very, very fast. Very fast in sport mode. Yeah, very, very fast. Oh, this is so cool, guys. So cool. You know, a lot of people don't like the motion controller, but you know, I'm telling you, they've done a great job. DJI, you've done a great job with this one. I know with the motion controller too, when it was sitting, if you moved it from side to side, the drone would spin around. I noticed with this one, it doesn't do that. I used to have to hit the lock button to make it stay in one place, and I noticed that this one here, you know, I'm moving it back and forth right now, and she's staying put. She's not going anywhere. That is a great change just by itself, because I mean, if you're a new pilot, that was pretty scary with the motion too. You know, unless the new pilot knew enough to hit the lock button and keep it steady. If they had to fiddle with something, that drone was spinning and going all over the place. This is really well. This is really well done. Okay, you know something I want to try is I want to go backwards. We gotta go. Okay, it's not showing the drift. It's not showing the drift now. So maybe we have to get up higher. Let's see if we have to, or maybe it's already selected. Want to see if it'll do a drift when you're going backwards. So let's go backwards. Oh no. No. Okay. So you can't do it backwards, and it goes too slow backwards, so. Very nice. Very nice. Well, guys, if you want my impressions, I'd say they done a great job. Great job. You know, I love the original Avata, but this Avata 2, she flies so much better, and these goggles are amazing. You know, I never changed the diopter, and never played around with them too much, and I'm seeing just fine. Yeah, you see these little dials here. I don't know if it'll come on the screen. It does. See, you can adjust these. Okay, that one. Okay, I must have played with that one before. Actually, I'll put that at 0. And that one I'll do at 0 also. It still looks pretty good on my eyes. You know, I don't have the greatest eyes. Actually, I'll put that at 50. I'm going to put the other one at 50. Yeah, that seems a little bit clearer, actually. So, I mean, that's something I got to play around with also. You know, but this is, oh my God, this is... Okay, so let's land. Do our first flight with the Avata 2, and this was definitely the most fun we've ever had. Anyways, guys, this is so cool. Just watching the camera go up and down when I move the motion free. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be doing some more with the Avata 2. Catch you later.